The Arctic is no longer a frozen void at the edge of the world. It is becoming the most contested frontier on Earth. As ice sheets collapse at record speed, global powers are racing north, armed with icebreakers, deep-sea drills, and territorial claims that overlap like fault lines. According to Deseret magazine, Arctic temperatures are rising nearly 4 times faster than the global average, and 1/5 of the polar ice cap has vanished since 1979. What was once impassable is now a navigable arena of military and economic ambition. The end of the ice barrier. For centuries, the Arctic was a natural fortress. Explorers died trying to cross it. Even in the early 20th century, only a handful succeeded. But by 2025, sea ice had shrunk to 4.6 million square kilometers, 27% less than the 1981 to 2010 average, exposing waters once unreachable. This collapse has triggered what scientists call the Blue Ocean event, the first ice-free summer in human history. As a result, the 2026 shipping season is the busiest ever recorded, with traffic surging along Russia's northern sea route. The trillion-dollar treasure map. Beneath the thawing seabed lies a fortune. The U.S. Geological Survey estimates the Arctic holds 30% of the world's undiscovered natural gas and 13% of its undiscovered oil. Rare earth elements, critical for green tech and advanced weapons, are also abundant. Each F-35 fighter jet requires 920 pounds of rare earth minerals, and demand is expected to triple by 2030. New 2026 drilling platforms, hardened for polar storms, now reach depths once considered impossible. The Polar Silk Road. Melting ice has redrawn the global map. The Northern Sea Route now offers a faster alternative to the Suez Canal, cutting travel time between Europe and Asia by up to 2 weeks. Russia has reopened dozens of Soviet-era bases to secure this corridor, deploying nuclear icebreakers like the Yamal to escort commercial convoys. Meanwhile, China, calling itself a near-Arctic state, is investing heavily in its own nuclear icebreaker fleet as part of its Polar Silk Road strategy. The brink of Arctic conflict. The Arctic Five, Russia, the US, Canada, Norway, and Denmark, are locked in overlapping territorial claims. Military intercepts have surged throughout 2026 as aircraft and submarines shadow each other across thinning ice. NATO's northern flank has hardened since Finland and Sweden fully integrated into Arctic defense drills, responding to what analysts describe as escalating Russian and Chinese militarization. With hypersonic missiles, underwater drones, and satellite surveillance saturating the region, the risk of accidental escalation grows daily. A future written in the snow. The Arctic Council, once a symbol of cooperation, is struggling to maintain relevance as geopolitical tensions overshadow scientific collaboration. Environmentalists warn that industrializing the last pristine frontier could destabilize global climate systems already under strain. Yet the incentives are enormous. New trade routes, critical minerals, and energy reserves that could shift the balance of global power.